Humans and nature need to have a good connection. The problem is we as humans forget that this connection is important for us. Certain populations have a good relationship with nature, the other doesn't. Both help each other, both. And we need to live in an harmony because if we do it, we're going to have a better results. People connected with nature take care about all deforestation, contamination, and they make programs to improve environment. The other rest of the population is the one that doesn't. They are selfish, they don't think in the future of their own families. So that's bad. According with Charles Darwin, this problem starts since evolution. Humans want to improve, but they do not know how to make it in a responsible way. I prefer to live in rural areas. Because first of all, you assume that is going to be less contamination comparing with the big cities. That is one of the reasons. When I say contamination, it's because I refer that it's less comparing with the big cities, so it's less contamination because there's no, it's not the same population, you don't have the same quantity of vehicles and into other. According with National Geographic Society, living in the rural areas is cheaper, so that is good for humans because you are not you will not expend in many things. I always prefer to live in outdoors than living near the city. So it's better to live outdoor. I always prefer that. Some benefit you may have of living in a city is that convenience. You may need or you have all what you need. For example, if you need to eat, you have restaurants, you have markets, into others. If you want to hang out, you have bars, you have discotheques, into others. If you want to be, you have many bunch of schools to have a better education. And you have hospitals that are going to provide you a good health. According with Brookman, we we have we do have a better medical care in cities than in outdoors. That is true. That is true. You have a better opportunities to work and to earn money. That's true too. But some benefits of living away from the city is less delinquency, less crime, and you assume that less contamination. It's less expensive. It's cheaper. It's cheaper. Living in rural areas is cheaper. So, and the other thing is that you may have better connection with nature. Urbanism can be stopped, in my opinion, yes, by giving opportunities to rural population. Some ways to stop urbanism is increasing jobs in rural areas. This is one of the principal ways what this can be eliminated. Other is to give more opportunities, for example, credit to all the farmers to work in their own land. Then we have to give better education. If we have better schools in those areas, it's going to be better to promote techniques and of how to work with the land in a ecological way without affecting nature. There are many ways to promote human have a good relationship with nature. First is giving money. For example, in most of the countries, they give money for people that plant tree or that classify the garbage. Second, you may give some help. For example, you may help with the school of the child of their children's, with food, with electricity. It depends if they take care of environment, if they classify their garbage. For example, and the last, by a sanction. You can give the sanction in some of us cut a tree without the authorization, or if you throw garbage and you get caught, you may have a sanction of pay money or pay with time. For example, with time is like cleaning up some streets of your city, or of your rural areas in which you will have to be there for a certain time of the month. That is a good example of protecting nature of humans. Nature is giving us a place to live, a food to eat, and a water to drink. And us we just give nature garbage, chemicals, and other contaminator factors that affect the environment. This need to be a relationship in which both gain, nature and humans. In a certain point, nature will stop giving us all what we need, and it's going to be too late. Let's us let's us start taking care of nature now, so we have a better connection with her.